Every day, the landscape of science and technology continues to evolve, bringing with it new advancements. As the legal medical cannabis scene progresses, the latest developments in machinery are being used to create the next generation of high-purity cannabis extracts.
Technology is going to impact the way that cannabis medicine is being prepared in two different ways, in the way that we extract the medicine and the way that we analyze the medicine. These are scientific methods that have been well established in many other industries and should be applied to generating safe and effective medicine in cannabis.
Today, rotary evaporators are used for ethanol solvent recovery when producing liquid for electronic vape pens. At their production facility in Las Vegas, Moxie uses rotary evaporators in the final stage of winterization, a process that is vital for producing extracts pure enough to be consumed in vape pens.
We use rotary evaporators as a method of solvent recovery post the winterization process in our refinement methods for producing what are known as absolute oils that can be used for infusion of basically any different type of medical cannabis product.
Winterization is the process by which fats and waxes are removed from an extract that contains them. So when plants are extracted, the medicine is inside a waxy envelope called a trichome, and some extraction methods dissolve not only the contents of the trichome but the trichome itself. So now the winterization process was originally coined for use in the vegetable oil industry, where they took vegetable oil and chilled it and removed the solid fraction. That was so-called winterized oil. So this applied to the cannabis industry is going to be the process by which waxes and fats are removed from the extract from the cannabis plant.
While industrialized cannabis extraction is a rapidly expanding new industry, many of the methods used within trace their roots to botanical extraction applications commonly used in other industries.
Botanical extraction methods that are used in flavors and fragrances such as the mint that's found in your toothpaste and ice cream is made by the very same process of extracting the essential oil from the plant to understand the chemical makeup of that oil and to be able to formulate that oil in the proper dose to give the desirable flavor or fragrance in the product. So this can be directly applied to the cannabis industry by being able to understand the proper method to do the extraction, proper method to analyze the oil that then gets used in a cannabis-containing product.
With unparalleled sales and service to the North American scientific community, Heidolph NA provides high-quality laboratory products, support, and services.
Heidolph is a German manufacturer of laboratory equipment, traditionally found in medicinal chemistry labs for the production of pharmaceutical medicines. Heidolph has always supported drug discovery and medicinal research, so it's a natural extension of our business to now support extraction labs as they develop cannabis medicines. All of our products are supported by our North American team that provides installation, training, and application support.
Forming the ideal basis for intelligent evaporation, the Hei-VAP series is suitable for standard distillation, complex distilling processes, and automatic distillation.
So when you work with any piece of technology, whether it's a car, a computer, or pharmaceutical-grade laboratory equipment, there's a certain experience that occurs between the user and the piece of technology, be it from the user interface and its intuitiveness to the fluidity of the mechanical functions. Just like a car, it's going to get you from point A to point B. But for a company like Moxie, where your success is predicated upon being best in class, you have to use best in class equipment to go with that. And when you think of high-end luxury manufacturing, especially when it comes to things like vehicles, you think of Germans. And German manufacturing, when it comes to laboratory equipment, is no exception to this rule. Heidolph is by far the most luxury form of laboratory equipment available. By producing a high-quality product like Heidolph, a manufacturer that is well-renowned within the laboratory equipment space, we know that we're going to be able to produce the product that our brand relies upon for our success within the space.
In addition, their rotary evaporators offer the highest level of automation, making it easy to use for people without previous experience.
Better laboratories with better equipment make better medicines.
When you're producing the best in class of a product, you have to use the best in class tools to get to that product. With Heidolph, not only do we have a design of a machine that is intuitive to the user that interacts with it, but that produces parameters that are completely reproducible every time. So not only are we making the best product, we're making the exact same thing every time using this equipment. By purchasing equipment like Heidolph up front, we save not only time and efficiency in our workflow, but also the sanity of our very high-level operators that require lots of education and skill set to be able to produce these products in these environments.
Based on our experience in the cannabis industry, we believe we can help increase the safety of our customers' processes by developing products that are easy to use and working with our customers to understand the problems they currently have so we can develop new industry-specific solutions to increase their safety and productivity in the future.
By using Heidolph Hei-VAPs, the company hopes to create a safe environment for extractors while also providing a scalable platform.
Heidolph products have been traditionally used in laboratories that make pharmaceutical medicines, and people that are making cannabis medicines should be afforded the ability to use the same equipment to make high-quality cannabis medicines as well.
For more information, visit www.heidolphna.com.